What's up, YouTube family? It's Mark here from Financial Abundance and Healthy Living. I want to welcome you to the channel and welcome to this video. I am here at my local park here. This is a park that I bring the family, the kids to come and hang out sometime, and I thought I'd shoot this quick video, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Happy Wednesday to all of you. As you can see, the ducks hanging out. All right, so I wanted to connect with you all. I wanted to share this quick video really quick here. This is going to be a valuable video, so you definitely don't want to skip, but let's get into it. So today's video, I'm going to be talking to you all about the benefits of fasting, and then I'm also going to cover 5 ways that you can fast, and I'm going to share with you my #1 way to fast. All right, sorry, I'm getting distracted here by the birds. So I'm going to attempt to do this video here differently today, because it's such a beautiful scenery. I don't want you all to miss out on this here. But anyway, fasting offers benefits, and we're going to cover the benefits. So benefits such as weight loss. So if you're someone struggling to lose weight, fasting is going to help with that. Fasting will improve your metabolic health. It's also going to help with increasing your mental clarity. All right, so if you're someone that struggles with your mental health or being able to focus, fasting is going to help with that. Also, it's going to enhance your immune system. It's going to help with boosting and enhancing your immune system. All right, fasting also is going to help promote the body's natural process of cellular renewal and repair. So when you fast, it's going to help with restoring and repairing your cells. All right, looks like it's mating season. All right, so this is why you want to really focus on fasting. Okay, I highly recommend it, and it will definitely help you get rid of halitosis, bad breath. All right, because when you're eating foods on a consistent basis, day in and day out, back to back, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you're not missing any meals, and then you're eating in between meals, and then you're snacking, and then you're overeating. You have so much to break down and digest. The body is really overloaded. It's really working in overdrive to try to digest and process and consume everything you've just given it. So you want to focus on fasting, and when you fast, you're going to notice a difference even with the way you smell. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you. All right, so to the video. Hope you all like the scenery. So here are some ways that you can actually fast. The first way is called intermittent fasting. You can actually alternate between periods of eating and fasting. So they have what's called the 16-8 rule, where you would fast for 16 hours of the day, which includes your sleep time. So if you sleep for 8 hours a day, then when you wake up, you don't eat. You just drink water, and you don't eat anything until you know 8 more hours. So that's one way. That's called the 16-18 method. And you're basically fasting for 16 hours, and you're eating within an 8-hour window. So you don't really have a lot of time. You have a very small window to eat. And I think you'll start to see major improvements with your health when you start eating accordingly. All right. The next one is water fasting. Water fasting, it just basically means that you're only consuming water for at least a set period or a set range of time. So let's say you wanted to do a water fast for 24 hours or 48 hours. You would just drink nothing but water for 24 to 48 hours. So that is what is called a water fast. All right. #3, the next type of fast is called the alternate day fasting. And that simply means you alternate between regular eating days, right? So your regular eating and partial eating, right? So regular eating and partial or complete fasting. So you'll eat regular, and then you will do a partial fast. So eat regular, partial fast. All right, so that's what an alternate fasting means. All right. #4, time restricted feeding. All right, so time restricted, another type of fast. And basically what it means that you restrict your eating to specific hours of the day. Some people do this. This may be good for those that have a lot of medical problems and you're not able to fast on a regular basis. So this is something good that you can actually do, where you're only eating during certain times of the day. So it could be you eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and then all the other time you don't eat anything else. And number 5, fasting mimicking. And it just basically means you're following a low caloric diet, such as like a plant-based diet, something low in calories that's similar to fasting, and you're just only consuming that for the nutrients. You know, there are some people that can't fast. They have you know, migraines and different things like that. So basically you want to you know, that's another option that you can do, that you can use as well. All right, so these are the top 5 fasting ways that you can fast. My favorite one is, of course, the intermittent fasting. I like to do intermittent fasting, where I will fast for about 16 hours of the day, and then I would eat only within an 8-hour window. Okay, so these are the ways that you can do it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any questions or anything like that, and I will see you all on the next video.